Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be unboxing the spring FabFitFun box. So if you want to see what I got in my box this spring, then just keep watching. Can we talk about the box? This is fun. Mine did leak, I will tell you. Something in here, she leaked a little. So if you don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a subscription box that you get every quarter. So every season, basically. This is now probably the third or fourth, fifth time I've gotten the box, and I honestly completely forgot about it, so I did not get to pick. So normally with the basic subscription, you get to pick, I think, like 3 items. I forgot about it, and then it just showed up at my door. So I didn't get to pick anything, which is fine, because there's some goodies in here. So let me pull it up so that I can tell you pricing of everything. I believe the box itself is like $50 some, 56 something, I think. I'm not very good at telling you pricing, but I'm also not sponsored, so I don't have to tell you pricing. Okay, so the first item is $19. This is what leaked all over. Let me tell you, it smells really good though. So this did leak in my box. It is still somehow sealed, but it did leak. I already have one of these. Oh, like you can see the cap, like it's crooked. Anyways, I already have one of these from the last time they got us a box that I still have not opened yet, but this is, God, it smells good. This is from Cora's. Just so you know, as a Greek person, it hurts my heart to say it that way, but I know that's the American English way to say it. It's a renewing body cleanser, and this is the Hydrate and Renew. So this smells really good. I have not even used the other one yet though, so I will set this aside. I just have such a big body gel in the shower that I want to finish before I open anything else, and I haven't gotten there. Oh, this is in Santorini Grape. That's the smell, which is the same as the last one. It smells really good. Let's move on. I feel like I'm more excited when I pick stuff, but it's fine. I'm just like going off of cheapest to most expensive. Okay, so next is by the brand Even Prime. It says it's a Hypernova Dark Circle Reducer Eye Serum. Retails for $36. So this is what it looks like. I was pulling this stuff apart earlier just to take a look at it, and I couldn't figure out how you get it. Like there's something here and I was like, oh, do you just push that button? But it's not really a button. It is a pump though. So that must be it. But like I was sitting here pumping. There it comes. Okay, so yes, you do that. Anyways, that sounds nice. We'll have to test this out. For a refreshing gel serum that reduces the look of dark circles, fine lines, puff and puffiness, advanced blend of peptides, beta glucan, whatever. It's supposed to rejuvenate the delicate skin around your eyes. Apply morning and evening to the eye area. Cool. I definitely want to try this out because the older I get, the more I'm noticing some wrinkles, and no thank you. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so this is a bundle, but it's in 2 separate packages. I just whacked myself. Oh my gosh. Okay, it says that it's called the Ico Plus Daily Concepts Bundle, $45 for the 2. So this I'm not that excited about because, again, it's been in a box before. I already have it and still haven't unpackaged that one. But I do really like these. I just am so fucking lazy, to be honest. So it's a daily facial dry brush for radiant looking skin. Dry brushing, I've heard, is actually really good for your skin. I have a gigantic one for my actual body. Again, too lazy to use it, but I have one and I've heard it's really good for you. For best results, incorporate into your AM routine. Always use the brush only on dry, freshly cleansed skin. Wetting this brush will damage the integrity and quality. Maybe I should start. Because I heard dry brushing is really good for you because it gets off the dead skin to help rejuvenate and get your skin to produce new skin. So definitely a good thing to have, but I already have this from them. This other thing though, it's a shadow stick with a sharpener. And this is from Ico. I literally, if you can't see, just decluttered my makeup. It's all still sitting there because I have to actually go do something with it. I just love that I'm getting more makeup. Okay, ooh, it's 2. So it's a double act shadow stick. There's one in the shade Cream and one in the shade Cookie. It's literally just what it says. Oh, I hate pencils though, which is why they gave you a sharpener. Oh my God, my nails match. That's cute. So let's just swipe it. I'm not the biggest fan of shadow sticks just because I never gravitate towards them. But those are the 2 shades. They're pretty. I honestly can't see myself using this very often though, but it's cute. This next one is by the brand Pharmacy. It's called the Honey Halo Moisturizer. It retails for $45. It says that this is the Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. The one thing I fucking love getting in boxes is moisturizer. I don't know why. I'm not a huge person that does skincare. I really should. I understand I'm coming up there in age, and so I should, but I don't. But the one thing I do always do is moisturize because my skin is so badly dry. This is the packaging. It is glass. This thing is so adorable. And the best part, it comes with a spatula, which is great. I love when things come with a spatula. If you watched my She Glam makeup, I was explaining though how when things come with a spatula like that one did, there's nowhere to fucking put it. This is amazing because it's magnet. That was genius because I never know where to put these. Oh, and that's just so satisfying. So I think this is actually really good. For the whole box, I'm so far just excited about getting this. And this is pretty much the cost of the box. But we have to wait for you until I'm done with my current one. I'm currently, if you're curious, using the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer, which again, I think I got this in a BoxyCharm, or did I get this in a FabFitFun? I don't remember, but it was one of them. Speaking of Kate Somerville, this one also came with Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment, which retails for $98. Are you shitting me? So this is the packaging, plain, boring, simple. What is it supposed to do though? It says it's the next best thing to seeing Kate in the clinic is treating yourself to the Somerville signature facial at home. So natural exfoliants help to clean pores, while fruit enzymes help to clarify and renew skin, balancing hydration without over drying. See dramatically smoother, brighter, healthier skin in just 2 minutes. Use AM and PM. Use once or twice a week. Apply a thin, even layer to clean wet skin, massaging in circular motions for 30 seconds. Leave on for up to 2 minutes and then rinse dry. Okay. I might have to get on board with this because my dry skin is horrible, and obviously moisturizer only goes so far. I need to really get dead skin off. So I'm probably gonna actually start using that. That's exciting, and I'm glad I didn't have to pay the $100 for it. So literally this right here makes the box. I cannot talk lately at all. Makes the box worth it to me. So that's exciting. Okay, last item. So this is for $60, the Caravan Home Lazy Susan in wood. So it's literally exactly what it said. It's just a Lazy Susan. So normally I'd be like, oh, thanks. Again, you could pick items. I just forgot. That's all on me. But this somehow worked out perfectly. It's like my FBI agents are listening, because the only thing I don't like is the brand name is engraved, and which normally isn't a problem. It is what it is. But I have been wanting a Lazy Susan for the purpose of filming purse videos, because I wanted to start a series on my channel of reviewing purses, both high-end and low-end. Oh, I recently got this purse, which has just been sitting here with the tag still on it, because don't get this dirty. Oh, my hands. Because I've been wanting to review this. This is from Aldo, but it's very obvious knockoff of Versace. And I really wanted to review it. And I wanted to get a Lazy Susan so that I could do a nice shot for everyone of the bag on a Lazy Susan that spins and the camera can capture at all angles. So I literally been talking about getting a Lazy Susan for weeks. And I just haven't done it because of my work schedule. And now I have one that I didn't really have to pay for. Again, the only downside is that damn branding, because obviously when I'm wanting to show the purse video, I don't really want you to see like anything about the Lazy Susan. Anywho's, this is fun. But Lazy Susans themselves are really nice. This is a really cute one that you could put decorative stuff on, like, you know, candles and whatnot, or cute little jars of candy. See, this is where my fat ass comes in. Cute little jars of candy that can go like on the table that you can just spin and grab which candy you want, like when you're hanging out at the table. But then also things like, you know, spices and things like this. These are good for putting in your pantry to put stuff on, so that way it's out of space, but then you can just rotate it to grab whatever you need. I really like these. Why is it so satisfying? Anyways, so that is everything that came in this box. Like I said, I unfortunately didn't get a pick this time because I forgot, but I think for forgetting, this was still a really good box. Again, to me, these two products made the whole box worth it. These two products together are about $150 roughly, and the box itself was only 50 something. So I still really like this box. I'm definitely gonna have to fix my subscription since I'm moving, and I don't want to forget that. But normally I do love that you have the option to select at least 3 boxes or 3 products. You can pay for a higher subscription that you get to pick the items before other people, and you get to pick all of the items. But just at the base level, you get to pick 3, I think. Anyways, so that is everything I got. If you want me to keep doing these kind of videos on these unboxings, let me know. If you like the purse video idea, also let me know, because it's still in my head on if I'm gonna do it, because it's kind of gets expensive. But I also love purses and have a problem with buying them. So, also I'm going to sell a lot of these since I'm moving. So if you are interested in buying anything, I have about 4 Michael Kors that I'm gonna sell, Vertigo, and a Ascend Rev. So if you're curious and want anything, let me know. Otherwise, I'm probably just gonna post it on my marketplace on Facebook. So anyways, that is all I have for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.